Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Let's get online. Today we are back to this. We're back to this game. I shouldn't really be saying because I played this game before a really long time ago. So this game is really an OG, and you've been watching my channel for since the start. You probably know this is the second game I ever played on my channel. It's called Stupidest. It's like a Minecraft stuff. Yeah. I know these portals. These are the portals where you go in, where you keep going to the Nether, but you go to some like that weird dimension. It even has the old diamond stuff. And why is the end portal? Can I go to the end? Can I go on the end? Can I go on the end? This is the. Can I make like a house out of this? Okay. So today, in today's video, we're gonna be trying to make a house. Not any ordinary house. This is the house we have to make. Cause now it's flooding. It's flooding everywhere. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, it's flooding. So we now have to survive, and we have to make a house. And are there doors in the game? In this game? I'm thinking. Why are these doors? These doors. Can I go through them? Okay, guys. I don't think we can use normal doors because they don't go through. But maybe I can use the end portal frame blocks. Yeah, I need to make. Yeah, cause watch. As you can see right here, you can go through them and you don't go to the end. So let's start my base. Let me find a material. I'm gonna put like glass at the bottom. Wait, can I make it out of cake? Can I make like a house out of cake? Okay. Oh my god! What am I making? Okay, I'm gonna get up here. Okay. So this is my house now. Yeah, I'm not making out of cake. Who would make it out of a house out of cake? Okay, so I'm gonna start with this little dirt thing, and then we're gonna upgrade from that, because now, we are now stranded ourselves. There. Oh, this glass texture is also bad. I realize that. But if I accidentally fall in the water, I'm gonna make like this. Yeah. So if I want to get back up, there. So let's make like a base. Like make a cool looking base. Should I make like a? Should I make? So I have to make this base, guys. I have to make this base just for myself, so I can survive, guys. This apocalypse. Why? We have to live in this. Wait. What if I do that? Okay, that was a bit of a even more stupid idea. I can't even place these guys. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Yeah, so, what is this again? Wait. I can finally fly. Oh, I can finally fly. Gentlemen are from the past. What's that? Okay, I don't know what the hell's going on, but I'm gonna try to finish it. So it's now flooding. I stupidly raised the water again. I'm gonna try to make a good house. Okay, so this house, I'm gonna name it the awesomest, coolest house ever. So I'm gonna put some portal blocks as the doors. Cool. This looks like a weird doorway. Average Austin does stuff doorway be like pools. Okay, what should we make ours out of? Wait, should I make like what out of command blocks? Wait. I'll make a me house out of command blocks. Command blocks. Nobody would probably ever say that's the best blocking for building. I'm not using any. If you guys wondering why I'm not. Okay, can I like okay, so I'm gonna make the weirdest house. Okay. This house F. What happened to my glass? Okay. There I'll make like enter. I just put nothing in the chat. Wait, I'm gonna make a house. Is this iron bar? Wait, I want to see this. What the hell? What the hell am I looking at? Imagine what beds look like. Okay. So I'm gonna be leading this thing. Yeah. Okay. Probably the only reason why this game even is getting popular. But who knows? Probably someone else made this. Okay, so I'm gonna make Tony halfway, really far away from wherever the hell this house is looking like weather conditions. Breaking news, the weather so far is really shitty. It's just should we get to this island? Okay, get to this island. Get to the island. Just make a quick turn. Yeah, we are the only survivor. Okay. I think we're making like one of the longest. No, don't dare.
Speaker, gentlemen, you must pardon this infringement of your privilege, but I will not detain you long. Mr. Speaker, I must take bold with your chair.
Oh. Hey, come on. No. Okay. 9 minutes in 9 minutes in, I still haven't made a good house. Okay. No.
I see that the birds have flown. Mr. Speaker, where are
okay, whoa. Okay, this is a house safe. I call this definitely not looking like a house.
Well, sir, I have eyes. I see that one of them is here.
So if you want to come across here, here's an island where we're going to make my actual house. If I can actually flatten the land. No, I don't want to put anything in chat. What should we make it out of? This is Ben. Okay. I'm gonna make in stone. These guys are gonna be making my. I can stack them. Okay. So this is an end portal frame house. End portals can barely. I don't think end portals can. Okay.
Mr. Speaker,
Oh.
you inform the members of this House that their presence is no longer required by the nation. This Parliament is, by my authority, terminated.
And instead of just being on bloody dirt, we're not having it on the house. We're not having a house on.
Your Majesty! Are you aware that by your action in this House today, you may have pushed this nation to the brink of civil war?
And portal house.
No. Finish your meal. Finish your meal, baby.
Imagine somebody plays this game and tries to recreate the exact thing I just made. This world is gonna be called. This can't even make words. Whatever you make and you leave, and you don't, and you like close this tab, you work on it separately. Okay. Oh, what should I make like I'm making the roof out of cake. Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Real. Should I make it out of? Should I make it? You know what? I'm gonna make it out of bed box so I can sleep on the roof. You know, I can sleep on the roof. I can't even go on the bed. These beds are useless. I can sleep on any bed I want. Without even... I can sleep on the roof. Safe and sound. Because there's no mobs here. And if any mobs coming near me... Okay.
I move that this House demand for control.
Why did I just come...
And that this country be put in
Okay,
an
this...
immediate posture of
Okay,
defense.
what...
Mr. Speaker. My lords, honorable members,
I'm gonna surround my house
this
with
nation is now in
sugarcane.
a state of civil war. And let us pray that God
It's floating sugarcane! Can I like place it in the air? So anybody needs help, who probably won't even need help because there's nobody in this world. Yep. Okay, this abomination. I am not making that. Okay. Destroy what the hell I just made.
Morning, William. Give you a good day, Squire. Want a coffee? If it be God's will that I die, Squire, then I would have a...
Oh, you can use E to come down. Oh no, I have to stop.
I need you.
Okay, once you come here, you're probably gonna be surrounded in a big field of sugarcane.
I have no sword, Papa. You must get well ready. Come up with your right.
Even in front of my house, there is sugarcane.
Hallelujah, brethren. It is the Lord's work we do this day. The Lord's work. There is no place for you. So you be welcome. I consulted God on this matter, Mr. Cromwell. I asked him, Lord,
Okay.
whose side are you on?
This guy will
He
be
answered me, saying,
that
on the
guy.
side of truth and justice. So here I am. Happening!
place. This place has to be safe. If anybody somehow gets to the back end, this back end is also going to be flooded. Well, this is a mini game.